That's you. Can you breathe? Who's that? Hey, careful. Oh, baby mom! Look at him. You're gonna fall. Ooh. Uh-oh. Who's that? Look. Who's that? Is that you? When we're happy and we know it, clap our hands. When we're happy and we know it, clap our hands. Hello? Hello? Huh? Isa? We're here to trade our Vinomations.
You go first.
You first. You first. It's your birthday.
It's not my birthday.
What number? So if you pick here first, and then
Yeah, so if you don't like it,
and then you trade for one of those.
But once you pick that number, you have to stick with that number.
Okay.
Can I?
So-
Okay, 5.
I'm all dumb and pick 5. Ooh,
Oh wow.
that one looks cool. Can I do number 10? See, so like if you didn't like that one, you can pick any of these that you want.
It's cute. It's a jukebox. I've never seen this one. Oh, that's a good one.
Thank you.
You too.
It is her birthday. We made a sign for. Can you see over here? Can you see? Do you think this is good?
Yeah.
Keep out Wally's treehouse.
That's so mean.
What is she singing?
Copy what she does.
Whoa! I can't sing. Whoa!